Go on then.
Right, feet first or head first?
Head first.
Head first?
Yeah, because it's the most challenging part.
Stop, the room's going anywhere.
Go on, mate.
That's a colour. You can't stand. It must be reborn yet.
Go on then.
I can't.
You can. You've got to try and fit one shoulder in first and then the other and dislocate your back. Right, I'll give up then. Go on then. Come out. Go on then. Come on out.
I can't. My shoulder's stuck.
Are you stuck in a washing machine?
I thought we were wanking in here.
Right, come on, let's get you out. Go on, Steve.
I can't move my shoulder. Hello?
You've got stuck in the washing machine.
Is it me or I'm looking for?
Stephen,
Hello?
are you telling me you've got stuck in the washing machine?
Probably.
Right, cool. Yeah, you can do it, come on. That's it. This is like a rebirth video.
I know.
Come on, Steve. Here we go, first time for everything. Come on, Steve.
I can't get out. She was great. Massive bucket.